Yeah, they're babysitting the high wide detector. I'll wipe it down, off snow off it before all the trains go by. Little snow coming down. Wind, that thing's kicking up cold. Couple of flat spots. It was taking this guy so long to come up the hill. He's 2 miles long. That is the local working at Monolith right there. Coming back up this way, switching in and out of the plant. Always said the only thing that could make Monolith look pretty was nighttime, because all you can see then is the lights. Get a shot of it after the local gets out of here. But anyway, here's the high wide detector that I have to babysit. There's one over each track, and before each train comes, as long as it's still, I got to get out and look, make sure there's no snow on these emitters. That they have lasers that go from the bottom, they shoot up, and they'll catch high loads, wide loads. Got the hot box detector right there and a dragger. I'm not sure what the ones on the ground, not sure what they are for. They didn't have those when I used to be up here. But anyway, this is a high wide detector. The hot box detector, which you really can't see because it's nighttime. But hot box detectors are they have a infrared beam that points up at the journals on the ends of the axles on the trains as they go by, and if they are over or under certain temperatures, they will notify the train. Train will have to stop, go back, make sure everything's okay. And I'll do a segment on detectors along with the rest of the how the railroad works stuff I'm going to start doing. Join me.